A very good afternoon, class. Welcome back to my class, students. We are learning grammar and we are on chapter number 5. The name of the chapter is Common Noun and Proper Noun. We have completed the explanations along with the definition. And today, what we are going to do in the class is that we are going to complete the exercises. Let's complete the exercises of chapter number 5. First of all, let me write down the questions. Students, look carefully. Let me write down the questions. The first exercise number A. Exercise number A. Question number 1. Name any two languages. Name any two languages spoken in India. Name any two languages spoken in India. We will write the answer here. Okay. Look at number 2. Name any two wild animals. Name any two wild animals. Options we will write here. The answer we are going to write there. Number 3. Name any two birds. Name any two animals and birds. Name any two animals. Two animals and birds you see Delhi. You see Delhi. So students, what we have? Two animals and two birds that you see Delhi. Number 4. Any two places you go to pray. Name any two places where you go to pray. Okay, and look at number 5. Any two fruits you like. Now, who will help me? Name any two languages spoken in India. Okay, who is going to help me? Yes, unmute and tell me the answer. Any two languages spoken in India. दो ऐसी भाषाएं बताएंगे जो भारत में बोली जाती हैं. Any two language that is spoken. Yes.
Sir, English and Hindi.
Okay, English and Hindi. So it's a noun. English is a noun. English क्या है बेटा आपका? Noun है English. And the second one, it's Hindi. Okay, now mute it. Now who is this? Next question, who is going to help me? Ananya Tiwari. Come on, help me out. Yes. Ananya, look at the board. Name any two wild animals. Do you know what do you mean by wild animals?
Sir, wild animal.
Yes. Name of two wild animals. दो जंगली जानवरों का नाम बताइए.
Sir, lion.
Lion. Okay, lion and.
Sir, and tiger.
Tiger. Okay, fine. Very good. Then it's also a noun. बेटा जो भी हम यहाँ पे आंसर लिख रहे हैं, all these are noun. All these are noun. Fine. Now mute it. Who is this? Aradhya Singh. Yes, Aradhya Singh. Unmute it.
Yes,
Aradhya.
sir.
Yeah. Look. Now name any two animals and birds you see Delhi. दो ऐसे जानवर और पक्षियों का नाम बताइए जो आप डेली जिसको देखते हो. Come on.
Sir, cow and dog.
Cow and dog. Very good. Now,
Sir.
two birds.
Sir, crow and pigeon.
Crow and pigeon. Okay, very good. Fine. Very good. Thank you. Mute it. Now the next question is goes to, who is this? Shreya Yadav. Shreya Yadav, unmuted. Look at the next question. Name two places where you go to pray. Any two places you go to pray. ऐसी दो जगहों का नाम बताइए जहां पे आप वर्शिप करने के लिए, पूजा करने के लिए जाते हो, प्रे करने के लिए. Shreya Yadav, can you hear me? No. Fine, Shreya. Shreya Singh, you tell me now. Name any two places. दो ऐसी जगहों का नाम बताइए जहां पे आप प्रे करने के लिए जाते
The temple.
हो. टेम्पल, ओके, यानी मंदिर जाते हैं. टेम्पल, ओके. एक और बता दो. चर्च. यस, टेम्पल एंड चर्च. टेम्पल एंड church. Okay. Okay, fine. Mute it now. Ans. Who is this? Ans. Yes. Ans, unmute. Look at. Name any two fruits you like. दो ऐसे फलों का नाम बताइए जो आप पसंद करते हो. You like.
Sir, apple
Okay. Apple
and banana.
and banana. Okay. Very good. Apple and banana.
Banana.
Fine. Very good. Students, this is exercise number 8. Look at the board carefully. ध्यान से देखिएगा. ये आपका exercise number first है. This is first exercise and we have completed. Name any two languages spoken in India, that is English and Hindi. Name any two wild animals, that is lion and tiger. Yes. And the next question is name any two animals and birds you see daily. Cow, dog, crow, pigeon. Name any two places you go to pray. That is temple and church. Okay. Name any two fruits you like to eat. Apple, mango, banana, pomegranate. Many out there. Okay, fine. Thank you very much, students. Now let us move on to the next exercise. Let us move on to the next exercise. So I have to write the question now, please. Now look at the board. Write the following nouns. Listen, I'm not going to write the question now. Look here. I'm not going to write the instruction. मैं instruction लिखने नहीं जा रहा हूँ. Now one by one we are going to discuss. Okay. Write the following nouns in the table below, writing each of them in the right column. If it is a proper noun, write in the column of proper noun, and if it is a common noun, write in the column of what? Common noun. Using capital letter in the using to write proper noun. Remember, if you are writing a proper noun, please start the starting letter with a capital letter. यानी कि अगर जो शब्द मैं आपको बताऊंगा अगर वो प्रॉपर नाउन है तो उसकी स्टार्टिंग किससे होगी? कैपिटल लेटर से. ओके, फाइन. लेट अस सी नाउ. Okay, students. So this is the column of common noun. Common nouns. Fine. This is common noun, and this side we will write what? Proper noun. Proper nouns. Now everyone will get the chance. Everyone be ready. सबको chance मिलेगा. Now can you see the look here? I have sent you. मैंने ये book send किया हुआ है आपको. Yes. America, John. Yes, Jaipur. What are they? Now first question. Who will tell me? Who will tell me the first question? I am going to write the word. मैं वो word board पे लिखूंगा. I am going to write the word. Yes, Varun Yadav. Unmute. Varun Yadav. Look here. I am writing one word. America. America is a common noun or proper noun? America common noun है, proper noun? Common noun. हाँ? Varun.
Proper noun.
Proper noun. It's a proper noun. Very good. तो हम इसको कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट करेंगे. A capital, then America. America. It's a what? Proper noun. Very good. Varun, mute it now. Mute कर लो. Now, who is this? Next, I'm going to ask to someone else. Akriti Maurya. Look at this question. Look at
Yes,
here.
sir.
John. John. Is it a common noun or a proper noun?
The common noun.
Common noun. John is the name of a person. ये किसी व्यक्ति का नाम है.
The proper noun.
Proper noun. इसको start कैसे करेंगे हम? Small letter या capital letter?
Sir, capital letter.
Okay, then right here. J capital O H and John. Very good. It's a proper noun. Now mutate. Next question. Akriti Maurya mutate. Now who is this? Jia. Jia 6577. Jia,
Yes,
look
sir.
next question. Read. Read this. What I have written. इसको पढ़िए मैंने क्या लिखा है यहाँ पे. What is this? Jaipur. It's a common noun or proper noun? Very good. It's a proper noun. So we will start with a capital letter. Jaipur. It's the name of a particular city or state. No, it's not a state. Next. Mute it. Jia, mute kar lo. Very good. Now I am going to ask next question to Shreya Yadav. Unmute it. Shreya Yadav, unmute it. Look here. Pigeon. Pigeon. I have written here pigeon. Is this a common noun or proper noun?
Sir, common noun.
Common noun. Very good. ये particular कबूतर. कौन सा कबूतर? पता नहीं. Very good. So it's we will write here. Pigeon. Very good. Now next question. Look carefully, everyone. Students, look carefully. Now mute it. Who is this? Anvi. Unmute it. Look at the next question. Yes. What is this? Read this.
Airline.
Airline. Common noun or proper noun?
Common noun.
Very good. It's a common noun. Airline. Very good. Next. Who will tell me the answer? Shreyans Yadav. Yes, Shreyans. Look here. Read. What is this?
Sir, mountain.
Mountain. Proper noun or common noun?
Common noun.
Very good. It's a common noun. It's a common noun. Fine. Mute it now. Mute kar lo. Now, who will tell me the next answer? Okay. Adamya, look at this. Read this. What I have written. Toyota. It's a common noun or proper noun?
Proper noun.
Why proper noun? Why proper noun? क्यों proper noun होगा? हाँ. मैंने बोलेरो कहा. Listen. मैंने स्कॉर्पियो कहा. कौन सी स्कॉर्पियो? Which स्कॉर्पियो? कोई पर्टिकुलर नाम नहीं है. It's a common noun. It's a common noun. Yes. So right here. Toyota. Got it? Adamya. ये प्रॉपर नाउन स्पेसिफिक स्पेशल नाम होना चाहिए. अगर नाम नहीं है, मैंने कहा डॉगी. कौन सा डॉगी? फाइन. ओके. थैंक यू. नाउ हु विल टेल मी द आंसर? Shreya Singh. Now it's your turn. It's your turn. What is this?
Batman.
Batsman. Proper noun or common noun?
The common noun.
Common noun. Very good. Very good. Batsman, common noun. अब मैं इसको प्रॉपर बना सकता हूँ. सचिन इज अ बैट्समैन. सचिन इज अ बैट्समैन. तो सचिन क्या हो जाएगा आपका प्रॉपर नाउन. ओके, वेरी गुड. नाउ नेक्स्ट, हु विल टेल मी? Faiz. Faiz, unmute it. Faiz.
Yes, sir.
Yes, look here. M-O-O-N. Moon, common noun or proper noun?
Sir, common noun.
Okay, how many moons are there? ढेर सारे चांद है क्या अर्थ पे?
No, sir.
Yes. तो फिर आपने क्यों कॉमन नाउन क्यों कहा? मून तो दुनिया में एक ही है, तो इट विल बी प्रॉपर. ये प्रॉपर होगा. Yes, it will be proper noun. It's a proper noun. So let's write here M-O-O-N. Moon. Mute कर लो. Yes, fine. Thank you. Now let us see who will tell me the next one. Everyone, please look carefully. सब लोग ध्यान से देखिएगा. Who is this? Shaurya. Shaurya Pandey. Look here. Look at this question. Animal. Is it a common noun or a proper noun?
Sir, common noun.
वेरी गुड. कॉमन नाउन. जानवर. कौन सा जानवर पता नहीं. वेरी गुड. इट्स अ कॉमन नाउन. वेरी गुड. नाउ
Sir, mute कर ले.
यस यस. नाउ हु इज दिस? श्रेयांश यादव. श्रेयांश यादव. नेक्स्ट.
Yes, sir.
लुक हियर. नवंबर, कॉमन नाउन और प्रॉपर नाउन?
Proper noun.
वेरी गुड. प्रॉपर नाउन. ये महीने का नाम है नवंबर. सो हम इसको किससे स्टार्ट करेंगे? कैपिटल लेटर से. स्टूडेंट्स लुक केयरफुली. प्रॉपर नाउन को हम ऑलवेज वी आर स्टार्टिंग, ऑल द स्टार्टिंग लेटर्स आर कैपिटल लेटर फॉर प्रॉपर नाउन. ओके, नाउ म्यूट इट. श्रेयांश यादव, म्यूट कर लो. नेक्स्ट, हु विल टेल मी? जयश्री सिंह. यस, जयश्री. लुक हियर. London. London. Jayashree. Jayashree, can you hear me? Jayashree. Okay, Ananya Tiwari. You tell me. Ananya
Yes, sir.
Tiwari.
Yes, sir.
London. It's a common noun or proper noun?
Sir, common noun.
Common noun.
Yes, sir.
Think properly. ध्यान से सोच लो. Think properly. Common noun.
Sir,
ना?
proper noun. Sir, proper noun.
Proper noun. Yes. लंदन यानी किसी कंट्री का नाम है. ये इट्स नेम ऑफ अ कंट्री. लंदन.
सर क्योंकि ये
Yes.
नाउन है.
प्लेस. हाँ, नाउन तो दोनों नाउन है, ये भी नाउन है. नाउ म्यूट कर लो. म्यूटेड. नेक्स्ट, हु इज दिस? हु विल आंसर? All are over. Adamya, you tell me now. Now it's your turn again. Look here. Train. Train. Is it a common noun or a proper noun?
Sir, common noun.
Common noun. Very good. It's a common noun. It's a common noun. Fine. Mute it. Now, Shreya, mute it. Shreya Singh, you tell me. As you and son. It's a common noun or a proper noun?
Sir, proper noun. Proper noun.
Proper noun. Very good. As you and son. It's a proper noun. Okay. Mute it. Mute it. Next, Ans. Ans. Look here. BUS, bus, common noun or proper noun? Ans Tell me the answer. Bus is a common noun or a proper noun? Sorry,
Sir, pronoun.
proper noun. Bus is a proper noun. Wrong answer. Avnish Yadav, yes. Bus. It's a common
Sir,
noun or a proper noun?
Sir, common nouns.
Proper. Proper नहीं होगा बेटा.
Sir,
It's a
common
common
noun.
noun. BUS.
Sir, मैं
Yes, common noun.
बोला हूँ.
Mute it. Mute कर लो. Okay, okay. Mute it. Next, Shreya Yadav. Shreya
Yes, sir.
Yadav, unmute. Look here. Yes, pen. Pen common noun है या proper noun है?
Sir, common noun.
Is it pen a common noun or a proper? Sorry.
Sir, common noun.
Common noun. Okay, very good. It's a common noun. P-E-N.
Sir, क्योंकि
pen.
सर
The
कौन सी
common
पेन?
noun. Okay, fine. Very good. कोई specific name नहीं है. Okay, Ananya Tiwari. Look here. Mr. Basu. Common noun. Is it common noun or proper noun? Is
Sir,
Mr. Basu a common noun or a proper? Proper noun. Okay, it's the name of a person. ये किसी व्यक्ति का नाम है. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा हमारा बेटा? MR, Mr. B capital SU Basu. It's a proper noun. Very good. Very good. We are learning. Yes, we are learning something. हम कुछ सीख रहे हैं. Now who is this? Shaurya Pandey. Unmute it.
Yes, sir.
Shaurya Pandey, you look here. Yes. EUROPE. पढ़िए क्या लिखा हुआ है? Read it.
Stop.
Europe. Very good. Europe. Common noun or proper noun?
Sir, proper noun.
Proper noun. Very good. It's a proper noun. Name of a country. It's a Europe. Europe. Very good. Sorry, Pandey, mute it. Next, Akriti Maurya. Unmute it. Now look
Yes,
here. MUMBAI. Mumbai. It's what it is. It's a common noun or it's a proper noun?
Sir, proper noun.
Very good. It's a proper noun. MUMBAI. Mumbai. Fine. Thank you. Mute it. Akriti Maurya. Mute kar lo. Next, who will tell the answer? Rajnish Yadav. Yes, Rajnish. Look here.
Yes, sir.
KITCHEN. Okay. Now tell me. Kitchen. Kitchen. Is it a common noun or a proper noun?
Sir, common noun.
Proper noun.
Sir, common noun.
Proper noun or common noun?
Sir, common noun बोल रहे हैं.
Common noun. Okay. Yes. Very good. It's a common noun. Kitchen. It's a common noun. Okay. Next, who will answer? Next, who will tell me the answer? Faz. Faz.
Yes,
Unmute.
sir.
Faz. Okay. Now tell me. CER. Car. Car is a look here. CAR. Car. Car is a common noun or a proper noun? Faz.
Sir, common noun.
Very good. Car. It's a common noun. It's not a proper noun. Okay, Faz. Mute kar lo, Faz.
Sir.
Varun Yadav. Varun Yadav. Yes. Now look
Yes,
here.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Varun Yadav. Read. What is written here? पढ़िए इसको क्या लिखा हुआ है? Atlantic. Atlantic. What? क्या लिखा हुआ बेटा? Atlantic. Atlantic. कौन क्या है ये? Atlantic. Which noun is this? Common noun or proper noun?
Atlantica. Proper noun. Atlantica. Common noun को small letter से.
Atlantic. कौन सा noun है? Common noun or proper noun?
Sir, common noun. Capital letter से शुरू.
No, wrong. Sorry. Atlantic. Oceans. Atlantic. It's a.
Sir. Sir. Proper noun.
Who is there?
Sir, Ananya
Yes,
Tiwari.
proper noun. It's a proper noun. Atlantic. Yes.
Sir.
Ananya, बोलो.
सर कॉमन नाउन को हम लोग स्मॉल लेटर में लिखते हैं और प्रॉपर नाउन को कैपिटल लेटर में लिखते हैं. आपने किचन को स्मॉल कैपिटल लेटर में लिखा है.
नहीं स्मॉल ही है ये. स्मॉल ही है. स्मॉल है. फाइन. अनन्या तिवारी म्यूट करो. नाउ one more question. Ocean. Now look here, ocean. Is ocean a common noun or a proper noun? Who will tell me? Who will tell me? कौन बता?
Yes, sir. सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. सर आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. सर आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
Yes, class, listen. Just we were discussing about Atlantic. Atlantic के बारे में. Look here, students. Atlantic. Atlantic. अब ये अकेला लिखा हुआ है. Alone. Then it will be a what? Common noun. ये क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? Common noun होगा. ATLAN. Atlantic. It's not a proper. हमने यहाँ पे लिखा था प्रॉपर नाउन में. नॉट नाउन. अगर अटलांटिक के साथ ओशन जुड़ा, अटलांटिक ओशन, तब वो प्रॉपर नाउन होगा. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज द ओशन. ओशन चाहिए. ओशन इज अ कॉमन नाउन और अ प्रॉपर नाउन. OCEAN. ओशन. स्टूडेंट्स लुक केयरफुली. ओशन. हु विल टेल मी नाउ? नाउ जिया, you will tell me. Where is Jia? Where is Jia? Yes, Jia, you tell me. Jia. ओशन समुद्र. ओशन मैंने कहा समुद्र. कॉमन नाउन और अ प्रॉपर नाउन? यस. जिया, कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Common noun.
ocean common
Very good.
noun
Ocean
है.
is a common noun. Okay, very good. Ocean is a common noun. I hope everyone, I hope you understand. आपको समझ में आ गया होगा what is common noun and what is proper noun. If it is clear, show me your thumb, students. If it is clear, show me your thumb. Yes, it is clear. Come on, everybody, show me your thumb. Fine. Thank you very much. Now let us move on to next question. Exercise C. This is exercise B. These all are what? Common nouns, and all these are proper nouns. Okay, fine. Now let us see exercise number C. Let us discuss about exercise number C. And let me write down the question on the board. Let me write down the question on the board. Okay, students, let me write the question on the board. For that, I have to see the book. Okay, exercise number C. Exercise number C. It's written here. Write three common nouns. Write three common nouns and three proper nouns and three proper nouns. You can write yourself. आप अपने आप से लिख सकते हो. Look here. This is the column of common noun. Common noun. Okay. Just know what we have done. Common noun, and here it will be the column of proper nouns. Proper nouns. Students, you can do yourself. Look here. Anything. I can write here a common noun. Boy. Yes. Boy. Girl, man, all these are what? Common nouns. Three common nouns I have written here. Okay, you can write here. Proper noun में लिख दो. Boy का नाम लिख दो Ram, girl Sita, and man you can write as Ramesh. Yes, you can one more use the another 1 second. आप यहाँ पे भी लिख दो कोई common noun. Write any common noun. River. Here number 2 proper noun में हो जाएगा आपका the Ganga. Yes, as your wish. It's not necessary or mandatory that what I have written you have to write. ये कोई जरूरी नहीं है बेटा कि जो मैंने लिखा है वही आपको भी लिखना है. इस कॉलम में आपको 3 कॉमन नाउन्स देना है और इस कॉलम में आपको 3 प्रॉपर नाउन्स देना है. ओके, नाउ लुक हियर. नंबर 3 आई एम राइटिंग हियर विलेज. विलेज इज अ कॉमन नाउन, सो आई कैन राइट हियर विलेज का नाम हो गया सलेमपुर. ओके, आई एम राइटिंग हियर सलेमपुर. देन व्हाट? सलेमपुर इज द प्रॉपर नाउन. गॉट इट स्टूडेंट्स? आई होप इट इज आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. नेक्स्ट exercise is your homework. Next exercise is your homework. Exercise number D is your homework. Students, now look here. Look at the board. Exercise number C we have done. हमने कर लिया है. आप अपनी मन मुताबिक आंसर लिख सकते हैं. You can write your answer as your wish. Now there are some 10 questions. 8 questions are there in exercise number D. Exercise number D में 8 question है. First question is that what is the name of your school? What is the name of your school? आपके विद्यालय का नाम क्या है? What is the name of your school? So you can write the answer. You can write the answer that the name of my school. The name of my school is what? D capital. Devasthali Vidyapeth. Okay, this is the answer. What is the name of your school? The name of my school is Devasthali Vidyapeth. Okay, students. So how many questions are there? There are 8 questions. All together there are 8 questions in this exercise. इस exercise में 8 question है. You have to complete and send it on my WhatsApp number. मेरे WhatsApp number पे आपको send करना है. See the second question. Which is your favorite restaurant? What is the name of your favorite restaurant? आपका मनपसंद restaurant कौन सा है? तो वो भी proper noun हो जाएगा. बलिया का Pepsi Hotel, that is also a restaurant. Or McDonald's is a restaurant, name of a restaurant. Yes, so you have to write it. Next, what is your favorite game? What is your favorite game? Hockey, football, table tennis, all these things. You have to write. It's your homework. In which state do you live? आप किस राज्य में रहते हो? What is the name of your state? UP, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh. You have to write it, students. What is the name of your country? Pakistan. No. India. Right now? Yes. What is the name of your country? India. नहीं नहीं अभी कोई कह रहा था पाकिस्तान. Who was saying? No one. Okay. Who is saying China? Anyone? Adamya, you tell me. What is the name of your country? China.
What, sir?
What is the name of your country?
Sir, the name of my country is India.
Is India. Okay, very good. Are you from China? No.
No, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. Thank you, thank you. Now, let me ask some. Ananya Tiwari. Ananya Tiwari. What is the name of your state?
Yes,
What
sir.
is the name? What is the name of